Welcome back to Happily Harquins. The reason why I haven't been posting that often because I started a new YouTube channel. Don't worry, I'm not abandoning this one. The one thing about Happily Harquins now is I'm not going to be posting that often, and I can only post videos because I have no phone to do shorts. So I'm only gonna be able to film on my iPad and then post, which I'm doing right now. If you guys want to see. So, yeah. But I'm not abandoning you guys, so I'm probably gonna post like once a week now. And so make sure you guys go subscribe to my new channel. It is called @Toka_Rai. So, or you can just type in Toka_Rai. So I try to do Toka_Riley, already token. Toka_Rai, already token. And I did Toka_Rai. So, I can't pause because on Apple iPads, they haven't added the pausing thing. So, I just have to make, one long clip or go onto CapCut, which I'm really not feeling like right now. So, yeah, there's going to be, no pauses in this video. Which, my new channel is a Toca Boca channel because I love that game so much. And I have so much stuff on it. But, an upcoming video for next week is going to be how to do a back bend. Because I saw that you guys, thank you so much because my how to do the splits video. Sorry about that. As I was saying, my how to do the splits video, Lily Blue. This is gonna be no editing. Okay, so as I was saying, my how to do the splits video blew up. So thank you so much. I literally have something stuck in my throat. But this video is going to be get ready with me, and I'm gonna be talking through and saying stuff that's gonna happen on Happily Harquins, cause yeah. And yeah, recently I hit my dream goal, which is 1K subs, and so and literally, I've never hit 1K on any channel I've ever had in the past. And literally, just thank you guys so much for that. And also, I'm at 20 something K. So wow, guys, you are out there. So, yeah. I'm never gonna be abandoning Happy Harquins. I'm probably gonna have it until I'm older or something. I don't know. I mean, it just got so quiet. Or is that just me? I don't know. Guys, I'm gonna call this the coughing video. Actually, wait. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call this. Let's see. Talking with you guys / there's a lot of coughing. Okay. So I'm just putting the CeraVe moisturizing on. And then yeah. So technically, what I'm doing in a week, which I thought was in a month. You see why I called it that? So in a month, I thought we were gonna go to my, not my lake house. It's one of my family's lake house. But yeah, we go there every year with my grandpa and grandma. And so now, this year, we're going with my baby cousin Porter. He's so adorable and so cute. And he just is so cute. And I thought that was going to be in a month. Sorry about that, guys. So as I was saying, I thought it was going to be in a month, but then now it's in a week. These days are going by so fast. So I'm gonna it's in it's a day before a week, I can say, because yesterday it was a week, but technically it's still a week. So I'm gonna have to like pack, and I'm not gonna do a packing video because I tried that once and it didn't really turn out, and I didn't really like it. So we're not doing a packing video, but I'll show you what I packed like after. I'm bringing it in a suitcase. I normally bring it in my duffel bag, but like, you know, I'm not gonna take up that much room. I'm just gonna bring a suitcase. So yeah. And then, so Porter has never been to the lake. The reason why he is coming to the lake, because my grandpa, he's getting old, and he's only, my cousin's only 2. So, he probably won't see him for longer. So they're trying to get like, you know, memories with him, and then also try to like get pictures. But yeah, so I was gonna say something. Oh yeah, his birthday's 3 days before Christmas. Like, he's so lucky. But actually, I mean, if it was my birthday before Christmas, you know, I would be happy. But then I would probably get like the amount of gifts that I'm gonna get for like one, because you'll have to split them because it's like only 3 days. I'm not gonna be able to get like so many presents. Like, you know, that's probably how the parents are. So like, I mean, I'll like it because then holiday. Well, not birthday, then holiday. You like present, and celebrate. Because I love Christmas. I don't really care about the presents that much. I care about celebrating. But yeah, and then, but of course, Porter is only 2, so he cares about the presents. Also, my friend Lily, she just gave me this because last time I had a sleepover, I was like, oh my gosh, it smells so good, and I love this like lotion. And she's like, I don't really use it. And then she made me a 4th of July gift basket, and I made her one, but mine's never turned out, so I just didn't give it to her because it looked really ugly. And hers was fantastic. So yeah, and lotion smells. It gives you the Christmas spirit. Like, and then the thing, it's like oh yeah, yesterday I got my nails. So cute, right? Yeah, I'm gonna use, oh yeah, I bedazzled this. Isn't it so cute? And then I bedazzled that. But yeah. Oh yeah, and then I can also like do short videos, not shorts. But like if you're looking for something short, I can do like I have to do 3 minutes or more. Actually, wait. I can do like 1 minute videos because I'm on my iPad. Because if I was on my phone, which I don't have Happily Heartcorns on my phone anymore, but only on my iPad. Because if I was on my phone and I was on Happily Heartcorns, like for anything, you have to make a video longer than 3 minutes because a short can go up to 3 minutes, and if it's under 3 minutes, it will turn it into a short. So yeah, I normally do like the lowest amount of thing for my phone I do is like 1 minute and 30. I'm at 3 minutes and 30 seconds. That is the lowest thing I can do on my phone. But then on my iPad, I can do literally like a 2-second video, which I'll probably not do that, but like shortest time I'll probably do is 1 minute for a video on Happily Heartcorns, and then the most is probably like 15 minutes, because yeah. So I don't really know what to do. I guess I'll layer this perfume. They just came out with a pink one, and I'm like, I don't really like the color of that. But anyways, I think this one smells better. I just wish the packaging was pink. I was like, I have lippies somewhere. Oh my gosh, right here. I never knew. Let me use this one. Oh wait, I haven't tried this in a long time. Do you think it's like pink or do you think it's clear? I think it's gonna be clear. Hey, yeah, it's clear. It said on the packaging that like when I got them, like pink is pink, and it like literally showed them with a whole different thing that was like lipstick. So these are such a scam, but I think I like them clearer. Gotta keep my stuff organized. Da, da, da. I had this like lily for like so long. I don't know last time I used it. So. Okay. Oh yeah. I can't make a short out of this anymore. But yo grow a garden players out there. I'm one of them too. I love grow a garden. I'm gonna be giving away some stuff because I have way too much stuff and I'm a billionaire. So I'm gonna explain the rest in the next video, which I'm gonna probably do in a couple seconds after this one because I just really want to tell you guys. It's gonna be like probably a 30-second video telling you guys what I'm giving away. So like, if you want something on Grow Garden to flex or to sell, which you can do either, yeah, go check out that video. And yeah, so the most amount of money you're probably gonna get from that stuff is least amount 100,000 and most amount probably 50 mil, I think. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.